Let's take a trip to the barnyard today. What do the animals have to say? The cow goes moo, the sheep goes baa, the duck says quack, and the horse says neigh. Animal sounds are all around. Listen close, hear that sound. From the farm to the jungle, in the sea or the sky, animals talk, let's give it a try. In the jungle, let's hear the roar. The lion says roar,
Can you roar some more?
the monkey goes ooh, ah, ah, ah. The snake hisses, it's a slithery song. Under the sea, what can we hear? The whale says woo, it's loud and clear. The dolphin clicks, and the crab goes
Click, click.
with its feet. Forest, the owl says woo, woo. The wolf howls to the moon. Birds chirp, tweet, tweet, high in the trees. Animals are amazing, don't you agree? Final animal sounds are all around. Listen close.